Did you know that the rainforest has 4 layers? Yeah, 4 layers. And these are their names. And what we're going to do is explore these names and see if we can identify where they are in the layers of the rainforest. So one of them is called the canopy. The next one we are going to talk about is called the understory. And then we have the emergent. And now the easiest one is probably this one, forest floor, right? That's pretty self-explanatory. But we're going to take a look at these words and what meaning we can pull out of the words. And we're also going to take a look at this picture. Okay, and this picture has all 4 levels showing in there. So what we will do is we will draw a line here. That's one of the levels. Here is another level, and probably about right here is the 4th level. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, okay? So now let's explore what each one of these words we can probably figure out where they go by what the word is. Okay, guys, and one of the things that we're going to do to explore lots of the rainforest is use this book. And this book is called The Great Kapok Tree. Now, my family and I actually saw a real kapok tree. I'll show you a picture of my daughter on the kapok tree. And she was swinging from a vine that grew from the tree, just like Tarzan in the movies, right? And this is a small kapok tree. Okay, imagine that's a small kapok tree. A big kapok tree is like 2 to 3, even 4 times the size of what you see here. So that could tell you a lot about how important these trees are to the rainforest. And we're going to use this book to explore animals and the reasons why these trees are so important and we have to do something to save them. Okay, now I have some things to show you and some questions to ask about them. Bananas. They need to be eaten pretty soon. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Do you like cinnamon? Pepper. Huh, huh. Just kidding. Pepper. Medicine. Oh, medicine. And coffee. Yeah. All right. So bananas, coffee, medicine, pepper, cinnamon. What do these things have in common? Can you guess? Do you know? They're all products of the rainforest. So now we're going to explore more products of the rainforest. We'll get into our breakout groups and do some research and make lists of what come from the rainforest. And then for our next lesson, I want you all to bring 5 things that you find in your house that come from the rainforest.